Alright, so it's the next morning. It's going to be getting extremely cold, they say, this weekend, so I'm just going to go ahead and start playing with this before it gets too cold to be out here. So let's get started. So I've already put everything back together. Put all the hoses back on, put everything back together. Like I said, I'll need a new bottle, new fuel cap, but other than that, that's it. Cranks right up. No issue. So I'm gonna back it out and start working. Looks like it's holding right at the right temperature. So that's good. It's like the thermostat opens up and it drops down. Yep, so it works great. It's quiet, it works great, and you know, if I don't need the big machine, I can use the small machine and put it on that trailer over there, the small, well, that's 16-foot trailer right over there. That's what it would be used for. That along with the little skid steer over there. As time goes on, I'll just, get better at using it. The idler on this side is having an issue here. I'm gonna probably replace that idler. Unfortunately, that's like a $400 item from Cat, the idler, but I'll replace that. But other than that, I mean, it seems to run good. So yeah, it's small, but as you can see, it actually does really well with that bucket. I was actually surprised it cut right through that soil like it wasn't a big deal. So yeah, I mean, it did pretty good. I may end up getting a drill for it, an auger, but I've got to get my connections for that. But I don't know if I'm gonna get an auger yet, but I will look into that. So that's it for now.